Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are 12 Days of Christmas series, and this one is Holiday Sign. For this, I'm going to use one of this Dollar Tree sign, which has already pre-made, I would say, and I just wanted to, little decoration here and there. So I just pulled off this flat bead strip, and this is actually a plastic, and I'm just mixing two of these brown shades, and I'm going to give like a nice mixture of it by mixing it with my paintbrush, and I'm going to paint this flat bead strip, and I'm going to let it dry. I think one coat was good enough. After it dried, I just gave like little bit of a hot glue here and there, and I stuck onto the white surface of the sign, and this brown is showing really better on white now. It was, slightly better than before. It was all white before. So I just like this look now, and I'm going to attach. I created a bow with this Merry Christmas lettering all over. I created 4-loop bow, and I stuck some of this holly leaves and some golden berries and some greenery, Christmas greenery, and I created a board of this, and I'm just sticking that on top of the sign just above that painted beaded line. And I'm also sticking one of this ornament, and I'm also going to take some of this Christmas greenery, and I'm going to stick on either side to give like more fuller look to this round. And I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue on either side, and I'm going to stick it on either side of this ribbon or bow. And I'm also going to give like a white coat on this greenery to give like a nice snow effect there. So I just took a little bit of this white chalk paint, and I'm just going to paint it down on top of this greenery. You're going to see that in just a second. This is how it looks after it's all stuck. I was not happy. I wanted to give like nice white on the greenery, so here we go. I'm just painting this with this white chalk paint, little dry brush here and there to give like nice snow effect. And I'm going to call it done at this point, and I'm going to hang it and show how this looks. As of now, this is so gorgeous. The lettering is so vintagey, and I just love that green and black background. I haven't seen anywhere, at least I haven't seen. So I just love this whole combination, and this vintagey letters and this beautiful bow and this decoration all over. And yeah, this is one of the decoration I'm very much happy with, and we're going to see the other side in just a few seconds. So please let me know what you think about it. This video will be part of 12 Days of Christmas, and this is hosted by Brenda or Rustic Lace and DIY and Molly or Molly Cole Creations. And here we are going to do 12 different types of Christmas DIYs, and this one is Holiday Sign. And I'm going to link the crafting channels of these creative ladies in my description box, as well as links to the huge playlist. So please watch all of our videos. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, we are going to revert the same sign, and we're going to work on the other side of it. It's reversible DIY, I would say. And I'm just taking this masking tape, and I'm just measuring. Actually, I didn't measure. You can always use scale and do it, but I use my eyeballing technique to do it. So it works out most of the time, right? So I just took this masking tape and I stuck on either side, and where I'm actually going to paint the center in white, on the either side I'm going to paint with the brown paint that we used from the earlier DIY, the mixture of two brown paints together. And I'm going to show how this paint looks in a second. This is the brown paint that I'm going on top of the masking tape, and white paint in the center. And I'm just giving like generous coat of 2 to 3 coats was needed to get like nice coverage. And I'm going to show how it's going to look after it has dried. And when I pulled off the tape, there was this line that was not having a paint. So what I did was I just took this masking tape on top of this brown line like that, and that ruler length of this unpainted surface I just painted with white, and this is how it looks. Now I'm happy with the paint over there. Now I'm actually going to work on this design. I just took one of this ornament which has peace letters in it, so I just pulled off the top tag and also the hanging part, and I'm going to stick in the white surface. And this is one of the cute ribbon which has like a red trucks which are carrying like Christmas trees, and I think that that was perfect for this theme which we're working on the other side of the DIY same sign. So I just took this ribbon and I attached on those lines of meeting lines of white and brown, and I also took generous amount of hot glue on this piece letters, and I'm just sticking on this white surface just like so. This looks gorgeous already, and this is one of this vintage ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I created a bow, simple bow, and this is one of the Christmas pick, which has already all the Christmas greenery and a pine cone and red tree. And I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue. I'm sticking my cute bow with a golden berry in the center. With the hot glue, I just stuck just below this pine cone, and I use the same technique, the white paint. I just dry brushed all over this Christmas greenery to give like nice snow-clad effect there. And I think I'm done here. I'm going to show the other side, and in just a second I'm going to hang it here, and this is how it looks. Isn't that pretty? I'm just so happy with how this whole other side of the sign turned out. And this is, I would say, a reversible DIY. One side the Christmas trees farm sign, another side is a peace sign with all of the Christmas greenery, which has a Christmas truck also on the lace. So yeah, this is another one that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you would like it. Please let me know your thoughts. This is two-sided holiday sign. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of these ideas, I would be more than happy if you click on subscribe button and join for more ideas like this. And I'm so grateful and thankful for you all to take some time to watch my video. Thank you so much, you guys. I think I will see you in the next 12-day Christmas DIY on the other side. And if until next time, if you would like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag in the right corner. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.